And then we'll just pull it tight. Well, that's not good. Anything break?
No.
Guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we have a special enhancement for the garage, and it's sitting right here looking so fly and fresh. And this is going to go into the garage right now, but first we're going to open it up on Supercar Street Racing. All right, guys, sitting right in front of me is an LED picture light for the garage to go over our Supercar Street Racing banner. And let's get this thing unboxed. And inside here, and right now, you can see the LED light looking so fresh. And basically this light just uses USB power. It is very light. It probably won't need anything except drywall screws to hold it in. We will see. It does come with drywall inserts though, if you need them. And this little telescoping arm. And here is the mount. So basically you put this on the wall. It's almost got like a hot shoe mount. This comes out over and you can redirect your light any way you want. And it does come with this remote control as well. But you now shall not receive batteries with this. In the garage in front of the Supercar Street Racing banner, and the plan right here and right now is to put this TV back all the way like this and hang this banner. The TV will generally be facing this way because it's in the corner. Now all we want to do right here and right now is mount this TV. Now all we want to do right here and right now is mount this light so that it shines down on our banner like so. And then the wire will simply run behind the TV to this USB receptacle that I have. We have power available, a USB-A right behind it. It's super convenient. And I believe this thing works like this. Well, no, it would have to be like that. Screws on like that, so that's how you do that. And then we will just mount this up here and we will zip tie our wire. I wish the wire wasn't running, wasn't right on the tip of this. I wish it was like, but actually that's not bad, you can't see it. So that's as high as we want it because it's going to be hidden right under the TV and we want it dead centered. So somewhere we probably need to get we need to get our measuring tape and measure dead center. Grabbing the measuring tape, and it is 4 feet. So we're gonna go at 2 feet. 2 feet is right above this little graphic. So what we want to do is go as high up as we can without interfering with the TV right there, and at 2 feet right at the center, and just throw our screws in right there, like as high as we can go. Hopefully we don't need inserts for this. It's very light. Screws are very long and it's very light. And now we will just try to level it out so it doesn't look crooked right there. There is that. This thing is fine, it's not going anywhere. Light is very light. Get it? Now we'll zip tie this to the little neck. We'll run the neck right there. And all we have to do now is give this thing power. And there is a USB type A connector on the actual receptacle back here, which makes this very convenient. And it is plugged in and on and freaking out. It is oscillating. Oh, it's audio based. Nice. Okay, it is on music right now, but so eventually it's going to come up like that and you won't see it. We will tie it straight up like this and it's completely hidden by the TV. But for now, it is on music mode. So I'm putting it on auto where it is doing a nice RGB effect, as you guys can see. We can put it on color, and that is white. That's as white as it's gonna get. It's sort of a cool white, but you can see how it lights up the Supercar Street Racing banner right there, pretty cool. And then back on, and that is the brightness level. You can do dim or bright with the remote. That is full brightness. Now back on auto is where it oscillates through the colors. Looks pretty cool, guys. And I'll get another shot at night, and we also have to deal with this banner at the bottom not working right. But we need to get some zip ties and finish up our work. And the light is on, and the wire is completely hidden, guys. Check it out. Looks fly and fresh. Well, that's not good.
Got it! Got it!
Anything break?
No.
Yeah. Well, I broke my microphone connector. That's wonderful. Hey guys, and welcome back to the 4K Production Studio. My name is Brad, and today we're taking a look at this RGB picture light. Now this RGB picture light is pretty cool, and what we wanted to do is also show you our custom vinyl banner. Now this banner was made specifically by me, and I designed it on uprinting.com. But first, let's take a look at this RGB picture light. Now basically what this light is for right here is for hanging on top of a piece of art, and it can light up your art in multiple different ways. Now we are using it for our Supercar Street Racing banner out in the garage, and you can see it right here on the screen where it says RGB picture light with remote, and this thing does work with USB, so it does have a USB Type A on the end of the plug. And checking right here online here on Amazon, it does have a 4.3 star review, and it does cost $34.98 right now for the RGB one. And that's the one we have out here in the garage right now. And let's take a look at some of the reviews here. It has 69% 5-star reviews, easy to install, and so nice. Satisfied and perfect fit. And the 1-star reviews say it's supposed to be wireless, but that is not true. It is not chargeable. And this guy says doesn't work with the timer. And the other guy says just cheap, which yes, it is very cheap, but it does work fine. And now taking a look at some of the pictures here, you can see there is an app for this as well. I didn't use it. And here we have the different colors that you can switch it to over your artwork. And right here, right now, you can see on the app where you can control the music as well. And right here is what's in the package. Basically, it comes in pieces. It has some drywall inserts and screws, the neck, and it has a small remote control on the actual wire so you don't have to use the app. And you can see a picture of it right here in someone's living room with the RGB effect. And that's what I had turned down, as you guys could see in the video, out in the Supercar Street Racing garage. And right here, it has the remote control feature, the button control feature, and also you can control it with an app on your phone. And now we're taking a look at the custom banner that I ordered on uprinting.com. Now I did design this myself. I'm pretty good at Photoshop, as you can see on some of the videos. So I did design this myself, and I used Photoshop to design it. And then I uploaded it to uprinting.com. I chose 48 by 36 because of the area I wanted to cover up. And you can see right here, right now, it was $29 for the subtotal here for my custom banner, which is not bad. Now, the other two banners I ordered were very large, and they were much more expensive. Now, you can see the other order was almost $250 for the two large banners out in the garage, but the 48 by 36 banner was only $53 with everything included. So please check out uprinting.com. And back here on this Supercar Street Racing channel here, and we want to encourage you to please help out the channel by buying all your Amazon products through the links in the description. And you don't have to buy the actual product. You can buy anything you want through any of our links in our description. It does give us a small amount of money, and you help support the channel. And please like and subscribe. That's very important for the channel as well. A lot of people watch but aren't subscribed, and we could really use your support. And we want to thank you guys for the shark coating video support. That video has over 200,000 views, and it did very well. And we're so excited to be growing with the community and have you here on Supercar Street Racing. So go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. And we'd love to hear from you in the comments as well. What do you think about the channel? What needs to be improved? What are we doing right? And what are we doing wrong? And we're going to be back soon with the Marantz Cinema 70S review. We have that all set up and ready to go. I just need to put that video together and get it out to you guys. But for now, I got to bounce. I got to get over here and edit. Out in the Supercar Street Racing garage, and of course we are recording on the phone, which has better low light video. We got the garage lights set to purple, but I wanted to show you guys the art print light that is chilling so nicely over the Supercar Street Racing banner, and it is set to a cool white, but we have this remote here that can do whatever we want. We can go red, green, blue, yellow, light blue, purple, and back to white. Or we can do oscillating colors, which looks fly. Guys, I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe.